Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Now, you might be wondering, why a camper trike? Well, it's compact, eco-friendly, and super practical. Unlike cars or RVs, it doesn't need gas, it's easy to park anywhere, and it's way more affordable. Plus, with more cities cracking down on oversized vehicles, a camper trike gives you all the perks of van life without the hassle. So, let's talk about the ride. This little beast is surprisingly smooth, thanks to pedal assist and an efficient electric motor. Even with the camper attached, hills are no problem. It's designed for long-distance travel without breaking a sweat. Charging? No worries. The solar panel on top keeps the battery topped up, meaning you're powered by the sun wherever you go. And if you ever need a quick boost, you can always plug into a standard outlet at campgrounds or coffee shops. Once you arrive at your camping spot, setting up is effortless. Just park, unhook the trailer stand, and you're done. The compact footprint means you can camp in places that RVs and vans can't, like tiny forest clearings, secluded beaches, or even urban parks. Despite its small size, this camper is a cozy and functional living space. First up, the bed ***. It folds up into a bench during the day ***, and stretches out at night for a comfortable sleep. The insulated walls keep you warm in winter and cool in summer, making it perfect for year-round adventures. Storage? There's plenty. Underbed compartments, wall-mounted shelves, and a pull-out drawer hold all the essentials. And for food lovers, yes, there's even a compact kitchen setup with a portable stove, a collapsible sink, and space for dry goods. Cooking on the road is all about simplicity and creativity. Outside, the fold-out table serves as the perfect kitchen counter. Whether it's morning coffee, a quick snack, or a full meal, the setup is designed for ease. One of my favorite things? Campfire cooking. Nothing beats roasting veggies, grilling some fresh-caught fish, or making classic s'mores under the stars. Even off-grid, staying connected is important. The camper trike comes with a built-in charging station for phones, cameras, and GPS devices, all powered by the solar battery. For safety, a GPS tracker and motion sensor alarm keep both you and your camper secure, even when parked in unfamiliar places. And with reflective panels and LED taillights, night rides are safe and visible. Let's talk about what it's actually like waking up in a mini camper. Imagine unzipping the door in the morning to a breathtaking sunrise, birds chirping, and the scent of fresh pine or salty ocean air. Everything you need is within arm's reach. No stress, no rush, just the freedom to take the day as it comes. Maybe it's a slow morning with a book and coffee, or an early start to explore a hidden trail. The best part? You're already out in nature, ready for whatever adventure calls. This camper tricycle isn't just about travel, it's about a lifestyle of minimalism and sustainability. No gas, no excess baggage, just the essentials. With the rise of climate-conscious travel, this is the future of adventure, efficient, eco-friendly, and totally liberating. One of the most amazing things about trike camping? The people you meet along the way. Whether it's fellow cyclists, curious campers, or locals who love the concept, every stop is a chance to connect and share stories. So, is a mini camper trike the right adventure vehicle for you? If you love freedom, sustainability, and the thrill of the open road, then absolutely. It's a game changer for solo travelers, weekend explorers, and anyone craving a simpler way to see the world. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more off-grid travel tips and trike camper experiences.